I started as a first officer on the DC-9. After less than 2 years, I was already training for a new aircraft, the Airbus 320 and 319. Eventually, Cebu Pacific acquired the Big Bird, our Airbus 330, because we are going long haul. I have seen how the company has gradually but continuously evolved from a startup in the industry to being the largest airline in the country in a span of 25 years. I have been with the company for quite some years now, and I have seen how it has consistently braved through adversities, SARS, MERS-CoV, 9/11. I have seen how Cebu Pacific has been working hard throughout this pandemic to provide a safer environment for us and our passengers and preparing to welcome them back again and resume making moments happen. With the arrival of our Airbus 330neo, we are ready to fly more passengers and give them a safer and better cabin experience. I'm sure you missed traveling as much as we missed having you on board. We look forward to more fun flights with you and with the new Airbus 330neo for more smiles ahead.